Did you know there's a hidden blueprint creators are using to generate mind-blowing incomes with artificial intelligence? It's not luck, it's strategy. And today we're exposing their secret weapon. The era is here now where creativity meets technology. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just dipping your toes in, AI is rewriting the rules of success, and those who master it are raking in serious cash. From turning hours of tedious editing into minutes to creating content that practically markets itself, these strategies aren't just genius, they're game-changing. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest, tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. In this video, we'll spill the beans on the cutting-edge AI tools that automate the grind and amplify creativity. Think AI-powered content generators, personalized audience analytics, and tools that predict trends before they happen. But here's the kicker: these strategies aren't just for tech geeks. They're for anyone who wants to dominate in a competitive world. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to start using AI to build your own digital empire. Ready to step up your creator game and finally unlock the financial freedom you deserve? Let's dive in. Step 1. Study top creators and unlock their success secrets. What if I told you the secret to your success might already be hiding in plain sight? That's right. Some of the world's most successful creators are quietly using AI to supercharge their earnings. And it's time you cracked their code. The first step? Spy on the pros. Okay, not literally, but it's time to dig deep into platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and even old-school blogging. Identify those creators who are absolutely crushing it in your niche. These folks don't just have big followings, they've turned their creativity into a revenue-generating machine. Now here's where it gets juicy. Start analyzing their content. Do their YouTube videos scream AI-edited perfection? Are their TikTok trends on point because they're secretly using AI to predict virality? Maybe their blogs dominate Google thanks to AI-powered SEO tools. Look for patterns. AI tools for thumbnails, automated editing workflows, or even tools that spit out killer keywords. But don't stop there. Make a list of these creators. Break down their methods, their tech, and how they're making it rain online. This isn't just research, it's a treasure map to your own AI-powered fortune. By the end of this step, you'll have a cheat sheet of proven strategies that can fuel your rise to the top. Stick around, because this is just the beginning of unlocking your AI-powered empire. Step 2. Discover the AI tools. Top creators swear by. Imagine having a personal assistant who works 24/7, never complains, and turns your creative chaos into masterpieces. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, wake up, because AI is here to make it your reality. Now that you've studied the top creators, it's time to explore the AI tools they're using to crush the game. Let's start with the heavy hitters. Tools like ChatGPT are a secret weapon for writing scripts, brainstorming ideas, and keeping your content pipeline flowing effortlessly. Need to nail your messaging? Jasper AI crafts copy so engaging, it practically pulls your audience into your content. And let's not forget the visual magic of Canva. With AI-driven design features, Canva transforms anyone, even self-proclaimed non-creatives, into graphic design ninjas. Whether it's thumbnails that demand clicks or social posts that shine, Canva's got your back. But here's the golden rule. No two creators are the same. Experiment with these tools to find your perfect fit. Maybe you need AI to analyze trends, generate SEO-rich blog posts, or create flawless edits. By dialing in the right mix, you'll boost productivity, create top-tier content, and reclaim time for what matters most, connecting with your audience. So, dive into this digital toolbox and start building your empire. Because with the right AI tools, the possibilities for your creative journey are limitless. Step 3. Crack the code to creators' cash machines. Ever wonder how your favorite creators seem to effortlessly rake in cash while doing what they love? Spoiler alert, it's not magic, it's strategy. And today, we're breaking down their biggest money moves so you can cash in too. Let's talk income streams, the lifeblood of every successful creator. From affiliate marketing to sponsorships and merchandise sales, these pros are turning creativity into serious profits. Take affiliate marketing. Creators promote products they genuinely love, or sometimes just strategically pick, and get a cut from every sale through their referral links. It's a win-win, and AI tools make it easier than ever to find products that click with audiences. Then there's sponsorships, where brands pay creators to showcase their products. The trick? Using AI analytics to pinpoint trends, audience preferences, and partnerships that feel authentic, ensuring every sponsorship pops. Finally, let's talk merch. From branded hoodies to custom mugs, creators are cashing in on their loyal fan bases. AI simplifies it all, helping design killer products and tracking sales to avoid those "why did I order 500 tank tops in December" moments. Here's the deal. Studying these income streams isn't just interesting, it's your blueprint for success. With AI-powered tools and insights, you'll learn how to monetize your content, connect with your audience, and turn your passions into a paycheck. Ready to start your own creator empire? Let's make it happen. Step 4. Turn viewers into superfans with AI-powered engagement. What if I told you the secret to unstoppable success as a creator isn't just making great content, it's building a tribe that can't get enough of you? Stick around, because today we're diving into the power of audience engagement and how AI can take it to the next level. If you want to thrive as a creator, you need more than views. You need loyal fans who feel like they're part of your journey. That's where community building comes in. Responding to comments, hosting live Q&As, and creating polls aren't just engagement tactics. They're how you turn casual viewers into die-hard superfans. But here's the twist. AI can supercharge your connection with your audience. Tools like sentiment analysis let you decode how your viewers feel about your content. Want to know which videos made them laugh, cry, or hit share? AI delivers those insights so you can create content that truly resonates. Plus, AI tools can help track audience behavior, showing you what works and what doesn't. Armed with that data, you'll fine-tune your strategy and give your viewers exactly what they're craving. And when people feel heard, they stick around, support you, and even tell their friends. So invest in your audience. Build relationships. Use AI to deepen the connection. Because loyal fans aren't just numbers, they're the foundation of your success. Ready to turn viewers into superfans? Let's make it happen. Step 5. Master your money. Financial hacks. Every creator needs. What if I told you that making money as a creator is just the first step? And the real game changer is knowing how to keep and grow it. Stay with me, because today, we're unlocking financial strategies that can turn your hustle into lasting wealth. Making money is exciting, but managing it? That's where the magic happens. The first rule of financial success: get a budget buddy. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or QuickBooks are like having a financial coach in your pocket. They'll help you track your income and expenses, showing you exactly where your money is going. Next up, savings and investments. Every creator needs a safety net, so set aside a portion of your earnings for lean months. And if you want your money to work for you, explore investments like stocks, mutual funds, or even real estate. AI tools can even help identify investment trends and manage risk. Here's the kicker. Don't let your spending run wild. Use tools to create detailed expense reports, track every penny, and find areas to trim. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can reinvest in your creative empire. The truth is, financial management isn't just about stability, it's about freedom. With the right systems in place, you'll build a foundation for long-term success. Ready to turn your income into a legacy? Let's do this! Step 6. Build your roadmap to success and start winning. Imagine having a step-by-step plan designed just for you, one that turns your creative dreams into a profitable reality. Sounds good? Then stick around, because we're crafting your personalized action plan for creator success. Let's face it, goals without a plan are just wishes. First, grab a notebook or your favorite app and jot down your specific goals. Want to crush it in affiliate marketing? Launch a killer merchandise line? Or maybe double your audience engagement? The more specific, the better. Goals give you a clear target, and targets keep you motivated. Next, let's talk timelines. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, so break them down. For instance, if you're aiming to boost revenue by 30%, set monthly milestones to track your progress. These bite-sized wins will keep you laser-focused and build momentum. But here's the secret sauce. Stay flexible. Life happens, algorithms change, and strategies evolve. Regularly review your plan. What's crushing it, what's flopping, and where you can pivot. Remember, your action plan isn't set in stone. It's a living, breathing roadmap to success. By following these steps, you'll turn someday into now. Success isn't about luck, it's about strategy. So what are you waiting for? Start building your action plan today and watch your creative journey skyrocket. Unlock your AI-powered creator empire. Final thoughts. What if I told you the tools for financial freedom and creative domination are already at your fingertips? Now, it's up to you to act. Let's recap how you can turn your passions into profits with AI. Today, we revealed the secret sauce behind AI income strategies fueling creators' success. First, we studied how top creators monetize with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, proving there are countless ways to turn creativity into cash. Then we dove into the tech toolkit, spotlighting AI powerhouses like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva, tools that streamline workflows, spark creativity, and save valuable time. We also uncovered the importance of audience engagement, because let's face it, loyal fans are your greatest asset. From building vibrant communities to mastering financial management, we've armed you with the strategies to thrive. Now it's your turn. Leverage AI, connect with your audience, and make informed financial moves. Whether you're dreaming of going full-time as a creator or leveling up your existing game, these steps are your blueprint to success. And here's the challenge. Don't just watch, act. Build your action plan and start today. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. If this video got you fired up, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with someone who needs this guide. Your creative empire is waiting. Let's make it happen.